later, Mr. President. I will give you time later. Just so that we can put to rest this issue of waivers, because it's been going back and forth. Um, will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi,
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong galunan.
Chairman.
Sampalin ko sa sa
Chairman,
session suspended.
Session suspended.
Lu